So for me, there's data out there that says over 75% of people quit their New Year's resolutions within the first 2 months of the year. So having an opportunity to get reminders, stay motivated, stay on task here was something that I did last year. And I relied on some version of calendar reminders and app reminders here as well. And this could be one system that connects right to your Google Calendar to help you stay on track for yourself. Hey, I'm Josh Hayes here, social media lead on the communications team here for Webflow. And I am demoing my 2026 New Year's resolution app gen build here right inside Webflow. So the way I set this up here was with a simple request is to let's build a 2026 resolution tracker for the new year and take it with an opportunity to list out what your goals are, how you will track them, and how you can get reminders for it. All right, so I'm going to add my resolution here. So we'll call it workout. And why is this important? So for health and create a consistent routine. Okay. How will I get there? We'll do monthly reminders and weekly emails to stay on track. All right. And then we're going to start this on the first of the year. So 01/01/2026. And then we're going to track this monthly. So I'll just add in all the months to give you milestones that will give you an opportunity to see your progress as you go along in the app. All right, then we're going to save the resolution. And voila, here you have in the health category, your workout, the reason why we're doing this here. And let's say that we completed January, February, March. Oh my goodness, it's progress in real time as it's happening there as well. And then if you want to connect with Google Calendar here to set up your reminders, if that helps you stay on task, we have this feature for you. So you would connect your Google Calendar right here and generate those reminders. And if you want these to happen as email as well, if that works for you there, add your email address, set what time you want those emails to go out to you and where they should send it. And boom, you've got email reminders to keep you on track for your 2026 New Year's resolution. And that is my app.